Hello all, welcome to Know Your Medicine, an initiative by Lybrate, your personalized health companion. In this video, we are going to discuss about Amoxyclav 625 mg tablet. We will be discussing elements like why it is used, to whom it is prescribed, its consumption and various side effects. Before starting with the theory, let me tell you a brief about this tablet. Amoxyclav 625 mg tablet is a combination of two medicines which include amoxicillin and clavulanic acid. This is used for the treatment of infections caused by bacteria. It stops the division and growth of bacteria. This tablet works via a dual mechanism and include medicine, amoxicillin and clavulanic acid. Amoxicillin is a penicillin antibiotic and inhibits the transfer of peptide group in the transpeptidation process, thus does not let the bacteria to build the cell walls and bacteria is killed. Clavulanic acid works as a beta-lactamase and enhances the activity of amoxicillin. This medicine is generally prescribed for the treatment of bacterial infection caused in the lungs, middle ear, skin and urinary tract. Some of the side effects of this medication include vomiting, joint pain and sleeplessness. This tablet should be taken as advised by a doctor. Swallow it as a whole, do not chew, crush or break it. Amoxyclav 625 tablet is to be taken with food. This helps to avoid stomach upset. Warning: please do not take this medication without consulting your physician.